Tamira, the number one cosmetic clinic in Chennai, and I have undergone a glow facial. You can see the difference. I have got a good glow in my face. It hardly took me only 2 to 3 minutes. It's just a glow facial. No redness, no itching, and no irritation. It's just a superficial facial. You can take this before parties or attending functions. I have got my relatives, my cousin's wedding after 3 days, so I came here to take this glow peel actually.